And there is an app store for Macs, just like the Apple iPhone App Store, so you can download applications. It's just like the App Store on a Mac. I mean, on an iPhone or whatever iDevice, and you can update your apps and top charts, this and that. So yeah, there it is. So that's a cool thing about Macs is you have an App Store. So um, and there's that boom that I was telling you about. This is another thing I use. You can download this program. It's called Mobile Mouse Saver, and see it's up there now. And I just activated it. And what it is you can go to server settings, and what you can do is I think what this is it's an application if I remember correctly. I have so many apps I forget what everything is. This is you can control your mouse with your iPhone, and you can actually take your iPhone and use it like a lightsaber, like a sword or whatever, uh, and it'll move your mouse across the screen as you move your arm, just like a Wii player. You know how like a Wii game is? You can do that with your phone, or you can use it like as a scroll mouse. There's a motion mouse, there's a touchpad, and these are the settings. So I thought it was really cool because I was going to try to use my iPhone to control my Mac, but it's cool if you don't want to, take your keyboard and your mouse with you. And this application for the iPhone actually has a keyboard built in and a mouse on the same page on the same screen, so you can use your iPhone to control your keyboard and your mouse without a keyboard or a trackpad if you want. Um, so that's what that is. I'm going to close out of that real quick. And then I have, and this is Parallels Desktop, which is a really cool app because what it does is, actually I'm going to close it. I'm not going to demonstrate that for now, but what it is it's called Parallels, and you download that, and you can install Windows, and you can virtually run Windows on your Mac. And it's really good because you don't have to shut down your Mac, and you can just keep using the same, uh, you know, you can keep your Mac running and your Windows running both at the same time. So you can actually have Mac apps and Windows running both at the same time. So let's say, for example, if you want to make a screen recording like I'm doing now, of your Windows computer running at the same time on the same, two operating systems. So your Mac will be recording your Windows. So it's pretty neat. You can use any Windows application with it, pretty much. I'm sure there are some limitations, but I don't know all of them. I just use it to play this one game I downloaded it for, and yeah, that's it. I can't really think of anything else. This is your battery life, your date. You can change all that around. This is my name, and this is your notifications, your volumes up here, your Wi-Fi is up here, your settings. Um, Another good thing to do is go when you're going into your Wi-Fi, which should be up in your network settings under your settings. I always put my Wi-Fi, and it's good to lock this. And what it'll do is it'll stop it from making any changes if something happens. Excuse me. Usually it doesn't log out or anything like that on its own, but yeah. Um, so it's asking me for my authentication to change the settings. So that's it. And then the other thing, what was I going to say? I was going to say one more thing. Yeah, the Energy Saver, which is really good for putting your Mac to sleep. These are what my settings are at. Um, I've, it's great to have a Mac because you can have it in sleep mode for like a long time, and as soon as you flip it open or turn it on, and it wakes up from sleep mode, and it keeps on going like that for a long time. I never have any like issues with it. Sometimes with Windows computers, they're not so good when they're in sleep mode for a long time, but Macs they do. Oops, sorry about that. But Macs they do have the ability to stay in sleep mode for like months at a time without being too glitchy or anything like that. Not that I've noticed. But so far, that's all I have. If I may think of anything else, I'll make another video and you know publish it to YouTube, I guess. And that's about it. So thanks for watching, and have a good one.